Ever wish upon a star? Well, this September, you might just get your chance. Imagine you're stepping outside on a crisp autumn night and suddenly, there it is. A brand new star twinkling in the sky, visible to your naked eye. Sounds like magic, right? But it's real, and it's happening in our lifetime. And that's just the start of our space news updates tonight. From Martian frost to space tourist health checks, we're launching into a universe that's closer to home than you might think. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, put me in the background if you're doing something, and let's explore the wonders above us together. Who knows, it might just change how you see the night sky forever. Astronomers worldwide anticipate a rare cosmic event, a new star lighting the night sky. This spectacular sight, visible to the naked eye, is expected sometime between June and September, offering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for sky watchers. The star in question is part of T Coronae Borealis, TCRB, a binary star system 3,000 light-years away in Coronae Borealis' constellation. Think of a miniature star, the white dwarf, and a bloated red giant locked in an endless cycle. The small star continuously pulls hydrogen from its larger neighbor. Every 80 years, this stolen hydrogen ignites in a tremendous blast, creating a spectacular light show. This recurring explosion makes it seem like a new star is born repeatedly from our vantage point on Earth. The last recorded nova in T Coronae Borealis was in 1946, with the first sighting dating back over 800 years. This event excites astronomers because it allows them to study a repeating nova in a nearby system. While a supernova destroys a massive star, a nova eruption leaves the white dwarf intact. This event will be visible to the naked eye for about a week, appearing as a bright new star in the sky and captivating viewers worldwide. While the nova could occur after September, recent activity in the binary system closely mirrors what happened before the 1946 event. Keep your eyes on the skies. A stellar outburst might occur by the end of summer. From a celestial light show in our night sky to frosty findings on the red planet, space never ceases to amaze. Let's rocket over to Mars, where recent discoveries are melting our understanding of the dusty world next door. In June 2024, scientists made a discovery that changed our thoughts about Mars. Researchers led by Adomas Valentinas, a Brown University postdoctoral fellow, found patches of frozen water clinging to the enormous Tharsis volcanoes, which are even taller than Mount Everest. High-resolution images from the European Space Agency's Trace Gas Orbiter revealed incredibly thin frost covering a vast area. Scientists estimate it's 150,000 tons, equivalent to 60 Olympic swimming pools of water, freezing and melting daily during cold Martian mornings. This frost only forms in special spots inside the volcanoes called calderas, where air circulation creates a chilly microclimate, perfect for quick frost before the sun melts it away. This discovery is exciting because it tells us more about where water goes on Mars, how its air moves, and maybe even if life could exist there someday. All important things for future missions to Mars. There's still a lot to discover about the red planet, and scientists are excited to continue the exploration. Want to be updated with space-related content weekly? Show your love by subscribing. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. We post weekly space news like this. After months of rolling, NASA's Perseverance rover reached a spot called Bright Angel on Mars and found rocks covered in tiny spheres like popcorn, with a strange texture unlike anything the rover had seen. Scientists are eager to discover where these rocks came from and how they connect to a nearby area called the Martian unit. NASA's Perseverance rover captured these images on Mars on June 10, 2024. The light-colored rocks at a cliff site featured numerous sharp, vein-like lines and densely packed small round bumps. Scientists believe these formations indicate ancient water activity on the planet. Perseverance had been gradually ascending the rock face, taking measurements along the way. Over the weekend, the rover's robotic arm used its abrasion tool to get a closer look and gather detailed chemical data. Armed with this information, the team will decide whether to collect a sample. These findings on Mars aren't just exciting for scientists, they have major implications for all of us. The presence of frost and the discovery of popcorn rocks suggest there might be water in some form, which is crucial for life as we know it. This helps us learn more about the red planet's climate and could provide clues about the possibility of life on Mars. Speaking of popcorn, did you know that people in what is now Peru were eating popcorn as early as 6,700 years ago, according to researchers? Later, inhabitants of the country would also create the world's oldest known popper, a shallow vessel with a handle and a hole on top, around 300 AD. While we dream of footprints on Martian soil, scientists are uncovering the challenges our bodies might face in space. Buckle up as we explore the surprising ways space travel could affect your health. And it's not just the zero-gravity haircuts you need to worry about. A recent study found that space travel might harm astronauts' kidneys, especially on long trips like a mission to Mars. Published in Nature Communications on June 11, 2024, the research involved data from actual space missions and simulations with 40 people and 11 animals. What caused this cosmic kidney disease? It's microgravity and radiation. Without normal gravity, our kidneys don't work as they should, and space radiation can silently harm them before astronauts even realize the problem. This could lead to kidney failure, which is a huge issue for anyone on a long mission far from Earth. If we don't find a way to protect astronauts' kidneys, they might need dialysis, a special type of treatment that helps your body remove extra fluid and waste products from your blood when the kidneys are not able to clean their blood during the trip back. The good news? Scientists are on it. They're working on shields and special medicines to protect astronauts' kidneys from space radiation. This research could also help people on Earth who need strong radiation treatments for diseases like cancer. So if you are planning to pack for Mars anytime soon, don't forget your spacesuit and maybe a spare kidney. At least space tourists can enjoy the view without the same long-term risks. In another study, published on June 12, 2024, researchers collected biological samples from 4 space tourists before, during, and after their 3-day spaceflight. They analyzed these samples to see how space travel affects various human body parts, including the skin, kidneys, and immune system. They found that even though space tourists experienced changes in their body's cells and immune system, these changes mostly returned to normal once they were back on Earth. This is good news and helps scientists understand how regular folks react to space compared to trained astronauts. By understanding how space affects us, scientists can create methods to safeguard astronauts and space tourists. This paves the way for safer and more enjoyable space travel for everyone. From stellar fireworks to Martian frost and even space kidneys, who knew the universe could be so wild, right? You know what else is wild? The Martian dust storm and how it killed the Opportunity rover. You can watch the video right now and tell us what you think.